Hi everyone, it's Billy and welcome to a new Systeme.io tutorial where I will show you how you can sell your ebook in just a few minutes. You'll see, it's super quick and super simple. Moreover, if you don't have a Systeme.io account yet, you can create one for free by clicking on the link in the description. If you also don't have an ebook but want to make your first euros on the internet, I've also put a link in the description to the royalty-free training pack from Systeme.io. These are 27 royalty-free trainings from Systeme.io. That means you have the right to resell them directly to your audience and keep 100% of everything you own. And the icing on the cake, all of these courses come with their own funnels, their own email sequences and sales texts. Everything has been created to make your life easier. You just have to share these various courses with your audience. So, to follow this tutorial, you need two things. You need a Systeme.io account and you also need an ebook that you will offer. The first thing to do when you are on Systeme.io is to go to the CRM tab and click on Tag. Indeed, we want to create a tag to identify the buyers of our ebook. You will click on Create at the top right, and here we will create the tag in question. Once the tag is created, you click on Save. Now we will click on the Website tab and go to Sales Funnel. We will create a funnel. Click on Create. Here, give your funnel a name. It is a sales funnel. And if your currency is different from the euro, I will let you change it. Once the settings are chosen, click on Save. Our funnel has been successfully created. We will click on the funnel to enter the funnel settings. I see that I have a payment page and a thank you page. There will now be a third page missing for this funnel, which will be available. No less than a sales page. You go to the bottom left, click on Add a step. We will name it Sales Page. We will choose the type, go to the Sales tab and choose Sales Page. Click on Save. I will simply move the sales page up to the top of a tunnel, and now I see the order of my tunnel. The audience will first go through the sales page to understand the benefit of buying my ebook, then through the order form, which will allow them to fill in their bank details to confirm their payment, and the thank you page to get additional info on where and how to retrieve their ebook. The big advantage of Systeme.io is that it gives us a multitude of templates that you can use, used and customized as desired. I recommend starting with a template and then adapting it based on your offer, your audience, and your branding. For the purpose of this video, we are going to choose this template here. Before customizing it, we can choose the templates for the payment page and the thank you page. To do this, I click on the payment page, choose the respective template, and repeat the operation for the thank you page. Feel free to choose templates that fit your branding, your audience, and your product. The ideal is to take action as quickly as possible, so don't waste too much time on it either. If I return to the tab of my sales page, two things I can customize from the start. It will be the URL path that I can customize, and then I can click on Edit the page to personalize my funnel to my liking. Feel free to use the different tools, artificial intelligence, such as ChatGPT, to help you efficiently and quickly fill out the different texts on this page. Once the page is customized, also make sure you have customized the mobile version, and when that is done, click on Save at the top right. Now we will customize the order form page. On this page, I have three things I can customize. The first thing will be the URL path. Once customized, it will automatically save. The second thing will be choosing the pricing and if I want to set specific rules. Do I want to allocate commissions? That means giving my affiliates a percentage of commission if they help promote my product. From my ebook, I can then decide on a percentage and a time frame for commission payments. I can also, when I click here, decide to impose a limit to increase audience action. Indeed, if I decide to establish a limit of 10 ebooks, in that case, I can communicate that only 10 ebooks are available for sale and, after selling these 10 ebooks, redirect traffic to a selection page. Once these different parameters are set, I can then decide to create my digital product. I will select the product in question. Either I have already created a product or I can create a product from scratch by clicking on the small plus on the right. I can choose the product's name, the resource, and the offer's price. In this case, we will call it ebook. As for the resource, here, when I click on it, it will give me the option to assign different resources or to apply tags, to provide access to a community, to send to a training pack or a specific training. But for this video, we will rather use the automation rules feature to do this. In this case, I will leave this part and focus on the offer's price. Here, I can choose whether it is a one-time payment, a subscription, or an installment payment. I can either choose a selected price that I have already created. I either create a new price. I have already created a price, so I'm going to use that price for this example. Once the product name and the price are selected, I click on Save and then I save my product. Now, the last step I have to do is to customize my page by clicking here to go to the page editor. Again, feel free to use different artificial intelligences to help you fill out the payment page. Last important point, I will need to create automation rules. I will click on it. These automation rules will allow me to segment my audience, buyers and non-buyers, by assigning them a specific tag and also to automatically send my ebook to the buyers. To do this, I click on Add a rule. I will select the trigger. In this case, it will be from a new sale. I am automatically offered the tunnel in question and the stage of the tunnel and my... Now, what will the action be that will trigger? We see there are a multitude of options. I will let you select the options that are appropriate depending on your offer. Two important options that should always appear. First, adding a tag. We have previously created our tag here. And also a way to automatically send the ebook to the buyer. In this case, we will select Send an email. I could easily put the ebook inside an email in a campaign and start a campaign to the buyer. But let's keep it simple for this video and decide to send them a single email directly with their ebook. You select the email and click the little plus to customize the email in question. You will choose the email subject and you will choose different elements like the sender address that you will have previously saved inside Systeme.io. A tutorial video is available on the YouTube channel. You will also now be able in your text to customize a link to provide access to the ebook you offered. There, my text is available. Now, I will simply select the text in question and I will be able to click here in links to insert a link so that this text becomes clickable for my buyer to retrieve their ebook. How can I make my ebook with a clickable link? It's very simple. If you have a Google account, you can simply convert your ebook to PDF format and save it inside your Google Drive. Google Drive will then provide you with a specific URL that you could copy and paste directly into this box to allow your buyer to download ebook. Once the various settings are filled in, don't forget to click Save to save your email. Last step now, you can customize your thank you page by customizing the URL path once again and also by customizing the page. Remember, a thank you page can also be an additional way to create a new call to action for your... And there you have it. You now know how to sell your ebook in just a few minutes thanks to Systeme.io. I remind you, if you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free by clicking on the link in the description. If you don't have an ebook to sell and earn your first euros online, I have also put in the description the link to the 27 copyright-free courses from Systeme.io. These are 27 courses, all focused on internet business that you can resell and keep 100% of all the profits you generate. The cherry on top, all these courses come with their own sales funnel, email sequences and scripts that have already been created to make your work easier. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked this video, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.